Hey, how we doing? It's JJ. I'm out for an overnight camp in one of my favourite woods, Hitchwood, over near Hitchin. I've got a friend meeting me in just under an hour, so I'm in a nice little spot right over towards the back. And I'm going to get set up. No lavoo this time. I know, the shock, the horror. I'm actually going to use the one Tigress Backwoods Bungalow 2. Mark II version, which I got off my friend Matthew Weston Front Bushcraft. He was just getting rid of some kit, so I took that off him for a very good price, so we're looking forward to using that. So I've just got less than an hour to get myself set up, and then I'm going to have to walk away from the camp area down to where Glenn's going to walk into the wood. He's not the greatest with directions, so I've got to go and meet him and walk him back. So I'm going to pick this up. I'm just going to pitch myself just over here using the Bungalow, which is like a modern take on a Baker style tent. So yeah, absolutely stunning area. I've already seen the deer, you know, I see the deer a lot when I'm in this wood, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to showing you this camp. But without further ado, I need to crack on. I need to get busy. Catch you a bit later. There you go, so we've got it set up with the front porch or awning up, so you can see that inside there, through the mesh, right at the back, you've got this little mesh ventilation panel. There's plenty of room to sit up in there. You've got a little toggle there for putting a light. Obviously you can roll up this mesh and toggle that in as well. Let's just have a look. We like this. We actually like this. So this is in the green. They do it in the coyote brown. I actually like the coyote brown, but I'm actually really liking this green. So we've got it, just come past this tree. So we've got it staked out, tensioned out at the back, just so it doesn't sort of flap down and reduce the room inside. But yeah, there we go. Nicely set up. Glenn's about 15 minutes away. I'm just going to quickly get my sleeping kit in there, go and meet Glenn. We are all nicely set up. I'm now properly kitted out, sleeping bag and everything else in there. Outhouse woolen blanket over the top of my Van Gogh Latitude 400 bag. Bungalow sleep mat underneath. Got my little bits and bobs set up from when I'm sat under here. Say hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. Glenn's just set himself up over here. Nice ground dweller as well. DD 3x3 coyote brown tarp. Ground dwell. Nice. It's got that, don't know if we can make that out, lights fading, nicely positioned over a British Army sleep system over this low bough of this tree here. We're all set up, mate. It's going to be good, isn't it? Going to
be a cracker, mate.
Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Build a fire. Cleared out this area here. Got our kindling and wood ready to go. Got the UTO fire grill pit in case I want to use that, and then just a little bit of a camp kitchen area and that here. And the light's just starting to go. It's just me and Glenn in the woods. Shed load of deer over that way I saw earlier. So yeah, we're going to enjoy. Catch you a bit later. So we've had a nice little fire and that going for a good couple of hours just to warm ourselves up, and temperature's raised up about a degree or two. I know the lighting's not fantastic, but it gives a nice bit of ambience. We just let the fire sort of die down a bit now. Glenn's just like prepping 2 massive steaks and seasoning those. And I'm just gonna prep pepper and mushrooms. And then I've got a classic old potato bacon brunch, which you've seen me use before. I actually haven't used it for a while, so it's nice to have that. So a little bit of potato dauphinoise with the old steakage, and then we'll do some mushrooms to go with was it rump steak, is it, mate? Yeah, nice bit of rump. So yeah, we've just been chilling out. We've had a nice couple of hours, mate, haven't we?
Yes, mate.
Just been nicely chilled. I said there's not a soul to be seen. Couple of hours tooting away, muntjac barking away, and that's just really, really nice, which is what we come over here for, because you don't really get anyone. So yeah, mushroom up. Don't want to use all the mushrooms. We're going to have a nice fry up in the morning. A little bit windy, but not too bad. Chances of rain have died down a little bit, so maybe one more mushroom. That'll be good. I'm just going to be using a couple of the... Oh, you can't see that anyway. That's pointless. I'll show you in the daytime when we do the cooking. We're using a couple of the Petromax raw iron pans over the coals. That'd be nice. Plane's coming in. Catch you a bit later. Let's have some food. It's about 20 past 11 at night. Had a great evening. Had an absolutely brilliant bit of steak, potato brunch, red pepper, mushroom, absolutely banging. Couple of beers, nothing too heavy. Probably about 3 or 4 beers. 4 beers. And that's over about like 4 hours or so. Yeah, top evening. Just left the fire to die down. It's pretty sheltered where it is. It's down to embers. It's in a really safe position. Glenn's just pitched himself up under his tarp. I'm now in the bungalow, and yeah, I'm liking it. There's a load of room, so yeah, really liking this setup so far. I'll let you know how I get on with it in the morning in terms of sleep, but yeah, top evening. I'm baggy-eyed, a bit tired. As I say, it's the first proper camp I've had this year, and I'm literally 10 days post COVID, and that's yeah, pretty tired. Energy levels a little bit low, but had a top evening. We were just sat down by the campfire after dinner and just had a really, really good time, just chatting away. Me and Glenn known each other for 36, 37 years. We used to be in the cadets together, so we've just been chatting about our time in the cadets and different cadet camps and RAF bases that we used to go off to, and that's been really nice. And so we're gonna get a good night's sleep, and we'll catch you in the morning for breakfast. Catch you later. Morning campers. It's coming up 7:45. Woke up just over half an hour ago. Not too bad a night's sleep, but there was a big branch come down in the woods, probably, I don't know, 100 feet away. That kept me awake for a little bit. There and obviously because we're not too far from Luton Airport, the first plane started coming in about an hour ago, so that kind of wakes you up. Glenn's up. Glenn's just making a brew. Say morning, mate.
Morning.
Morning, morning. Yeah, not too bad a night's sleep. Just gonna have a brew. Tiny bit of rain during the night, not too bad. Sorry, camera's at a jaunty angle. I can't be bothered changing that now. Yeah, a little bit of rain during the night, but it has been windy during the night. It has been quite gusty. But don't worry, I'm not going to do like a thumbnail of camping in gusty winds all night long, because do you know what? Wind happens, and it's winter. So yeah, quite gusty. Hopefully it just die down a bit now. Have a brew, get a bit of breakfast on. That's it. Quite impressed with the one Tigress Backwoods Bungalow. That wasn't too bad. A little bit of condensation inside, obviously that's to be expected. Single skin. But I had that back storm flap open quite a bit, so did manage to get a bit of draft coming through. So that'll dry off in no time. So yeah, quite impressed. Quite impressed. Right, it's enough from me. I'm gonna have a brew. Right, say goodbye, Glenn.
Goodbye, Glenn.
Goodbye, Justin. All tidied up. That's where we had the fire, just there. Carrying our bag of rubbish out with us. Actually, we haven't actually got too much rubbish. We've done really well. That's where I slept, just there. Glenn was just underneath that bough there. Wouldn't even know we've been here. And that's the whole idea, leave no trace. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. We've had a great time. We're going to chip on out. Hope you enjoy this. Catch you later.